Alright, this is also a quadratic equation which the highest power is also 2, that makes it to be a quadratic equation. And the coefficient of the term that has the highest power is just 2. So you are going to take the first step, which is step number 1. In step 1, you are going to divide the equation through by the coefficient of the term with the highest power of 2, which gives you like 2x squared plus 4x minus 2 equals 0. The equation will be divided through by 2 everywhere. Even the 0 will be divided by 2. Automatically, we have this goes with this. This here 1 and this here just 2. 2 here 1, 2 here just 1. 0 divided by 2 cancel. So what we have is just x squared plus 2x minus 1 divided by 1 is 1 equals to 0. So the next to do is just, that is second step. That is in step 2, which is second step. You are going to take this to the other side where we have x squared plus 2x equals to negative 1. Now from here, what you should do is just to consider the coefficient of the middle term, drop it here, which is positive 2. Divide that coefficient by 2. What we have is just positive 1. Square it. All this happens to be in step 3. It is in step 3. Now, what you should do next is to remove the middle term. Remove this. Remove it, that is delete. After deleting it, you should add this to the place, while this one automatically out. This one becomes negative 1 automatically in this step. So what we have is just x squared plus 1 squared gotten from division of the coefficient of the middle term, then will be equals to negative 1 plus 1 squared. Now, after out the square for them, we have this, then equals to negative 1 plus just 1. We have just x plus 1, then equals to negative 1 plus 1 will just be 0. Here has square. Share square root for both sides. This goes with this. Then we now have x plus 1 equals to plus or minus 0. Then you now collect this one to the side where it's going to turn to negative. Where we have x to be equals to negative 1 plus or minus 0. Automatically x will be either negative 1 plus 0 or x to be negative 1 negative 0. In the first case, when x equals to negative 1 plus 0, then x will be equals to only negative 1. And when x equals to negative 1 negative 0, then x will be the same thing as negative 1. Therefore, x will be negative 1 twice. These are the values of x. Simple.